You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in Spanish. How to say but in Spanish, the bottom, let's say. If you want to learn more vocabulary in Spanish, by the way, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. How to pronounce in Spanish culo. Culo. Let's break it down. It's how to say but in Spanish, including in Mexico, Mexican Spanish. Culo. How to say culo. In English, you could say culo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.